Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to create a simple clock using Python together with dates. Let's get started.
So we are going to create a date and time clock program which is going to tell us today's date and what the time is. For example, let me run the program for you. So welcome to date and time clock. Enter any key to know what the time is. Let me enter any key. L. It should today's date and time is Thursday, March 24th of March. That's 1841. That's 6:41 p.m. by 36 seconds, and the current year 2022. So we are going to create a simple program that is going to tell us today's date and the time and the year. So let's start writing some script. First of all, we are going to write import time. So this is a time module that has been built. This is a time module that has been built by Python for us to reuse for our script and anything we want to use it for. So let's write that again. While true, then seconds equal to time dot time. Then we are going to print we just yeah, input bracket, right? Welcome to date and time clock. Enter any key to know what the time and date is. And that's for us to let us continue. You see what I'm saying? Then time equal to time. That means we are creating a variable that is going to tell us the exact time with date. You see, time dot c time, then we write seconds. Then we are going to write print. That means we are going to from here is going to tell us what the time and date is. So write today today's date and time is, then we now write our comma, then we now write time, the time variable, this time this time. So let's run it and see what how it goes. Yeah. Welcome to date and time clock. Enter any key to know what the time and date is. Let's enter any key. Yeah, it's working now. It says today's date and time is Thursday, March 24. That's 18 45. That's 6:45 p.m. then with 34 seconds. If we enter any key again, it will update the seconds. That means from 34 to 47 seconds, and now it's from 34 to 47 seconds. And the year also is displayed. Now if we enter any key again, it's going to from 45 to 46 is now 6:46 p.m. by 8 seconds 2022. So that's how to make a simple time and date and time clock. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video, and also share this video too. Thanks for watching.